Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain what happens if you get hit by a car. First, prioritize your safety and assess any injuries. Your well-being is the most important thing, so move to a safe spot if you can. Even if you feel fine, it's crucial to check for injuries and call for emergency medical assistance right away. Always contact law enforcement to report the incident. An official police report is vital for future steps. After ensuring safety, gathering information is your next critical step. Exchange contact and insurance details with the other driver involved. Use your phone to take many photos and videos of the accident scene, including vehicle damage, your injuries, and the surrounding area from multiple angles. Also, try to get contact information from any witnesses. Their statements can be incredibly helpful later on. Following the accident, a comprehensive medical evaluation is essential, even if you don't feel immediate pain. Some injuries may not manifest for several hours or even days. Next, consider consulting with a personal injury attorney. They can help you understand your legal rights and guide you through the complex process. Remember to keep meticulous records of all medical treatments, bills, and any communications related to the incident. Finally, you'll need to navigate the insurance claims process. Notify your own insurance company about the accident as soon as you can. When speaking with insurance adjusters, be cautious and avoid admitting any fault, as this could negatively impact your claim. The entire claims process, from initial reporting to final resolution, can often take anywhere from several weeks to several months, so patience is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.